A carton of milk is at half price during a sale. The carton milk costs 2.30 cents during the sale. What is the usual price of the carton of milk?
All right, I'm gonna call this like P, okay? That's my price. My price, and I know that really 230 isn't that really like half of P? Isn't that right? How would I set this up?
Times 2. Times 2.
Yeah, 2 times. And I guess that is like 2 times. Yeah, you're right. So two times that. Okay. And I think that'll actually just solve it right away. So $2.30 times 2. So P equals, who's got an idea? Price, our usual price, we'll call that.
P equals
Mm-hmm.
4.60.
All right. And if you were to say that as dollars and cents, could you try that?
$4.60.
Yes, you said that perfectly. You said the S there, $4.60. Okay.
Ali cycled 3.465 kilometers on Monday and 2,000 meters on Tuesday. What was the total distance in
Meters.
meters that
Yeah.
he cycled on Monday and Tuesday?
I say meters. This is just the UK American English difference here. Okay, I say meters. They say metres, but they still say meters. Still pronounced the same, I'm pretty sure, but it's just spelled a little bit differently. I think the US version makes a little more sense based on the pronunciation. It's okay, they're both correct. All right, so Ali cycled 3.465 kilometers. I like to actually use these charts here. I like to write 3.465 kilometers. Okay. And we are going to be, let's see, your total distance and what? What do they want the units in?
Change kilometer to meters.
Yes, we need to change these kilometers to meters, and then we will be able to add them up. All right, so what's our next step here?
Decimal point to the right.
Yes,
and places.
You're exactly correct. We're going to multiply by 1,000 because we're going from kilometers to meters here. And so if we take 3.465, you said move it to the left or to the right?
To the right.
Yes. So if I move my decimal, this is 3.465. And I'll just show it a little more clearly here. This is going to be 1, 2, 3, and that's times 1,000. Okay. So that's multiplying it by 1,000. We move it 3 spots. And what's our answer then? Oh, not our answer, but at least the total for Monday is what in meters?
3,465
meters. Right. So now we can add them up. Right. So we have 2,000 here. And that's Tuesday's total. And now we're in the same units. And we can continue forward. All right. So we have 5, 6, 4, and what's that? 5 right there. Okay. So tell me my answer and say the units correctly.
5,465.
How would we say that? 5,000.
5,465
meters. Perfect. Yeah.
And I use 3.445 meters of ribbon to decorate her classroom. Nora used 47 centimeters less ribbon than Anna. How many meters of ribbon did Nora use?
Okay, so what's our first step here, guys? Does anyone have an idea about what the first step would be? What's the first step? All right, I got a little ribbon.
Add it
All right.
together and
Yeah, something.
Well, first, let's look at our units. Let's be careful about what our units are first, right? Ask for meters, so we should do meters. So in this case, we need to take centimeters to meters here. So centimeters to meters. What should I do?
that's
67 centimeters equals.
0.57 centimeters.
Yeah, and how did you do that?
Divided by 100.
Right, we divide by 100 because we're going from centimeters to meters. So if we took this divided by 100, yeah, we move this decimal 2 places to the left, right? And we should get 0.67 meters, all right? And that should be pretty close to being ready, I think. We're ready to solve this. So it says she uses 67 or 0.67 meters less ribbon than Anna. Okay, so if Anna uses 3.45 meters, how many meters of ribbon does Nora use? How are we gonna find her answer? You guys think, what do I need to do to find Nora's amount? And the key there is Nora uses less ribbon. Yeah, subtract what?
Subtract 0.6.
0.67.
Yes, thank you guys. Okay, now we're off to the races. We just need to subtract this. Somebody help me out. Make sure we get this right here. Okay, so first I need to borrow here is 15. What's this become? Right? So what's that?
13.
13, right? Because I also need to borrow from here, and that's ready. All right, so now it's 8 and 7 and 2. Is that right?
Yes.
Okay, so make sure you have 2.78, and what are our units there? Our units are what?
Meter.
Meters, yes, you're correct. So we should say 2.78 meters. Is there a line down here? There is. So you can write 2.78 meters on that line. I guess they have meters written for us. So that's 2.78 meters. And that should do it for page 111.